I'm Petrina from Shillong, Meghalaya. I had taken up the 7-day challenge with Samantha Bora, and it has really done me so much of good. I am feeling more confident and more active throughout the day. And most important, it has helped me to find my hidden talent, that is painting. I'm really grateful to you, Samantha, for the 7-day challenge. I wish you all the best, and I hope that you will continue with this. God bless you, and thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Shalja from Gurgaon, and I joined this triple day challenge with Samantha ma'am, and I enjoyed every bit of it. Each day we had different color codes, and the yoga along with chakra healing was amazing. The task given to all the participants pulled out their creativity. We could see budding artists, singers and whatnot. And there was a miracle with me, yes, I mean it. I had back pain, which I realized only yesterday it has disappeared all of a sudden. Every morning I used to struggle with my back, but now it is gone, and all thanks to Samantha and her healing. Thank you so much. Wishing you all the best and hoping to take up more challenges with you. Thank you.
Hi, good evening. I am Sanjana Chauhan from Kharghar, Navi Mumbai. I had taken up 777 challenge, and today was our 6th day. This challenge has taken us to a new higher level. It was an amazing experience, and after 6 days I am feeling so relaxed and happy. I just want to thank Samantha ma'am and her team for all the fabulous work that they have done. I just want to thank their punctuality, their regularity. If the program has to start at 6, it definitely is going to start at 6. Hats off to the team. Now, whenever I see Samantha ma'am's smiling face, it motivates me to smile. This program has changed me altogether a different person. Like, I have never thought of me filming a video. First time, this is the way I'm filming my video. Sorry for all the loopholes. And I have never thought that I will ever sing. And the challenge has given me a chance to sing, record my voice. Maybe it is only for a few seconds, but I took up that challenge, and I am very happy that I have taken up that challenge. So again, I want to thank Samantha ma'am for all the effort and the changes that they have brought in our life. Thank you, ma'am.
Hi everyone, I am Poonam from Mohali, basically advocate by profession. I joined Abundance and Manifestation program on asking of one of my friend. After that, I got an opportunity to join 777 challenge, which pushed me to know about myself. And every day, even a single day, I experienced something new. I realized that universe is within me. Thank you very much, Samantha Bora ma'am, for introducing me with myself. Thank you.
Hello, good evening everyone. My name is B. Bhaskar. I am a resident of Bengaluru in Karnataka, and I wish you all a happy Ganesh Chaturthi. I hope you all had a wonderful day today. So I have been associated with Samantha ma'am's sound healing sessions for a couple of months now, and I have also been practicing these chakra bundles daily mornings, and I have benefited overall from my health point of view. When ma'am came up with this 777 challenge, I immediately lapped it up, and though the timing was from morning 7 to 8, as we had to go for work, so I suggested it may be shifted to 6 to 7, and they readily accepted, and I'm very thankful to them. and my wife has also joined me in the morning sessions. It's been an awesome journey for the last 6 days with this sound yoga sessions, with all those stretchings and all those things, and also the daily task which ma'am have been allotting us. Though being a bit busy in the office, couldn't complete many of them, but wherever possible I have completed those tasks, including some singing task which I have never done before. It was a really good exposure, and I hope everybody would have enjoyed doing it. And I am really thankful to Samantha ma'am and Sanjay sir from the bottom of my heart for all those wonderful things you've been doing. Please continue doing this, and we'll also be associated with this. Thank you so much.
Hi everyone, myself Bamini here, and I'm from Bangalore and I'm a teacher. I took up this 7-day challenge, which really gave me a wonderful experience. My husband Mr. Bhaskar is follower of Samantha ma'am. He does regularly the meditation which ma'am has taught him, the techniques, where I could see a tremendous change in him. I got inspired by this and I wanted to take up this 7-day challenge. I thoroughly enjoyed this. There were many activities, color codes which we followed, and I was very confident in doing that. Thank you Samantha ma'am for all your support. It really worked for me. Once again, 7-day challenge is really awesome. Thank you so much.
Myself, Kausik Kumar Deka. I am from Guwahati, Assam. Basically, I am an engineer. I am in government service in the Water Resources Department as an executive engineer. So, I have gone through the sound and vibration courses, Samantha Bora Madam. So, after that, I have found a lot of changes in me. And we have lots of things to do except our day-to-day works and all, and which gives our immense mental pleasure, physical balancing and all. So I have done sound and vibration workshops with her also for 2 days, and now I am continuing with this 777 course, and it has given immense pleasure to my mind, and it really refreshes your soul and mind to a great extent. So I think if anybody interested should come and join this course whenever Madam again continue this course and all. Anyway, good night everybody. Namaskar. মোৰ নাম কৌশিক কুমাৰ ডেকা। মোৰ ঘৰ গুৱাহাটীত, অসমৰ। মই অসম চৰকাৰৰ অধীনত এজন জলসম্পদ বিভাগৰ কাৰ্যবাহী অভিযন্তা হিচাপে কাৰ্যনিৰ্বাহ কৰি আছোঁ। সামন্থা বৰা মেডামৰ সাউণ্ড এণ্ড ভাইব্ৰেশ্যন কোৰ্ছ মই কিছুদিন আগতে কৰিলোঁ। তাৰপিছত তেখেতৰ লগত মই দুদিনীয়া কৰ্মশালা এটাও কৰিলোঁ, আৰু এতিয়া 777 যিটো আপোনাৰ এইটো আমাৰ যিটো 7টা চক্ৰ আছে, চক্ৰ বেলেঞ্চিং, মেডিটেশ্যন উইথ এক্সাৰচাইজেছ এণ্ড অল, গতিকে এইটো মই কৰি আছোঁ। আজি 6ঠ দিন, অহাকালি এইটোৰ পৰিসমাপ্তি ঘটিব। আৰু এইটো কৰাৰ ক্ষেত্ৰত মই দেখিবলৈ পাইছোঁ যে আমাৰ জীৱনত এই যথেষ্ট পৰিমাণে পৰিৱৰ্তন আনিব, যিটো নেকি আমাৰ মানসিক বা শাৰীৰিক স্বাস্থ্যৰ বাবে খুবেই প্ৰয়োজন। এইটোৱে আমাৰ মনটোক যথেষ্ট শান্তি প্ৰদান কৰে, আৰু মই ভাবোঁ আগন্তুক দিনবিলাকত যিসকল আগ্ৰহী আছে তেওঁলোকেও এই তেখেতৰ অধীনত এই সাউণ্ড এণ্ড ভাইব্ৰেশ্যন বা আমাৰ যিটো চক্ৰ বেলেঞ্চিং মেডিটেশ্যন, এইটো শিকিলে যথেষ্ট উপকৃত হ'ব। ধন্যবাদ, শুভৰাত্ৰি।
राम राम जी, मैं सविता शर्मा फगवाड़ा पंजाब से। ये जो 777 चैलेंज था मेरी सिस्टर ने मेरे को ज्वाइन करवाया था। सबसे पहले तो उसी का थैंक यू, इतना ग्रेट एक्सपीरियंस दिलवाने के लिए। सारा प्रोसेस उसी ने किया था, मैंने तो सिर्फ एक्सपीरियंस ही गेन किया है। पर ये 6 दिन कैसे बीत गए पता ही नहीं चला। थैंक यू मैम। आपने सभी को पर्सनली फ़ोन किया, उनका एक एक्सपीरियंस पूछा, उनके व्यूज़ लिए, उनकी हेल्थ के बारे में पूछा। बहुत अच्छा रहा, बहुत ही ग्रेट एक्सपीरियंस था। कोर्स तो पूछे ही मत, कैसा एक्सपीरियंस था कोर्स का। तो कलर कोडिंग बहुत अच्छी लगी। वो जो चैलेंज थे बड़े अच्छे लगे। आज वाला चैलेंज तो ज़्यादा ही अच्छा लगा। थैंक यू मैम, थैंक यू जी।
Hi everybody, my name is Bharat. I am from Faridabad. I have taken this 7 days challenge of Samantha Bora ma'am. It is like a 777 challenge. It's a very unique program where I have learned so many things in last 6-7 days. It starts with the yoga asanas, and then we have a meditation for each of us, and it cleans our all body and chakras. And it's a it keeps us healthy, it keeps us complete zeal, full day of complete energy, and we have to come out of our comfort zone. And we have done so many creative things like drawings every day, which we have not done since ages. We have been singing a song, and this time making a video for the first time. So this helps us to do a new of ourselves and learn from us. Thank you so much ma'am, Sandha ma'am, for giving these sessions, and the team which is back end which is supporting you. Thank you so much, and look forward for much more sessions like this from you. Thank you so much ma'am.
Hi everyone, this is Swastika Mittal from Pune. मैं 6 दिनों से ये समांथा मैम का जो 6 to 7 मॉर्निंग का चक्र एक्टिवेशन सेशन कर रही हूँ। उसके वजह से मेरे को बहुत ही सारा फ़ायदा मिला, और मैं फ़ील कर रही हूँ कि धीरे धीरे जो इंडिविजुअल चक्रास है उसमें असर पड़ रहा है। जो हम लोग सुबह एक्सरसाइज और सीड मंत्र रिपीटेशंस करते हैं, मैं इस टाइप का सेशन और भी प्रेफर करूँगी। स्पेशली सुबह ये करूँ तो बहुत ज़्यादा इफ़ेक्टिव रहता है इंटायर डे। ऑल्दो आई मिस 2 days सेशन ड्यू टू माई हेल्थ इश्यूज़ एंड इंटरनेट कनेक्शंस प्रॉब्लम, बट I will prefer to do continue this kind of sessions. Thank you Samantha ma'am. इस सेशन की वजह से इंडिविजुअली सबके लाइफ पे बहुत ज़्यादा पॉजिटिव असर आया है। थैंक्स फॉर द सेशन। सॉरी इतना डिले करके थर्ड।
Hello everyone, I am Shalini from Noida. I had taken this 777 days challenge. What I get totally difference in my nature. I learn chakras, I learn yogas, I do meditation, but now I'm totally changed. A positivity comes in my nature. Now I think positive, be positive, and speak positive. And it all happens because of you, Samantha ma'am. Thank you for showing me my true strength. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, ma'am.